Assalamu alaikum. This is Rashid, and in this tutorial I will going to teach you how to play with tables in MS Excel. So here is my data and I want to insert a table and I want to format it like this. So first of all there are two methods by which you can insert a table. The first one is here is a option of table, okay, and there is a short key of Control T, and it will automatically select the range of the table, and I have to check that option that my table has headers, and make it okay, and it will be like this. And if I want to select any other, so I can select the formatting from here as per my liking. Okay, I will select that one, and you can change the name of table, summarize with pivot table, you can remove the duplicates, convert to range, insert up. This is just like the pivot slicer, like I can make the slicer of name and percentage, so it will be like this. Then I will select Ahmed, so it will be showing that there are two Ahmeds with the percentage of 68% and 70%. If I will click on Rashid, it will give me 78%. So these are the table slicer. Okay, let me drag it here. So you can sorting, you can use the option of sorting from here. Okay, largest to smallest, and just wait a while, Control Z. I have to remove these options. Now I can use the largest to smallest and smallest to largest. Okay, now 45% is at the top. So this is the basic introduction of the table, and if you want to learn more about table, you have to check out my list of advanced table. So thank you so much for your time.